So hello everyone, in this video we will talk about WA Defender. WA Defender is a most powerful tool which can delay your bank timing because it will show you their own dashboard where you can see how many messages you sent and how many messages you got and how many groups you joined and what is the status of your group quality, what is the status of your account quality and much more. If you will follow their guidelines, then I can definitely say it will be very helpful for your account. And you also know if your account is safe, then your customer is safe. If your customer is safe, then your profit is safe. And if your profit is safe, then you are intelligent because you know your profit is safe. If your profit is safe, then you can start and invest more money from your customers. If you will take money, then you can invest. You are already knowing because you are too much intelligent. But before introducing WA Defender, I want to introduce you about WhatsApp's personal defender, which is already free. But I know my many viewers are not knowing about WhatsApp's personal defender and free defender. So don't disturb your mind. I will tell you about both. Okay, so firstly I want to say here in the right side you can see my computer screen, and in the computer screen here's my WA Defender software. So after opening WA Defender, it's asking me to click to initiate your WhatsApp. So firstly I want to initiate my WhatsApp because if I will initiate, then I can see my account activity in their dashboard, because here you can see total number of chats, not interested chats, total unsaved chat. But after initiating my account, you can see the dashboard and my account quality. So first I am initiating my account. Okay, so firstly I am initiating it. First I will open my WhatsApp and click on three dot. After clicking on three dot, I will click on link devices, and after clicking on link devices I will click on link a device. And yeah, I need to, because my account is secure, then I need to verify my account. Okay, after verifying, it will open a scanner, and after opening a scanner it will scan it automatically. Wait for few minutes because it will get time. It's depend upon your networks, and it also depends upon your account chat, how many chats you did with your account. But you can see my account is successfully logged in, so I need to scan it. So if I want to see my account's activity in WA Defender, then I need to scan it. So first I will scan it. Okay, so here as you can see installation is being. Okay, so you can also export it. So I will export it also. So here you can see it's asking me include suggestions, include details. So I will include both. If you want, then you can remove it, but I am including it both and exporting. And you also need to install some Excel file opener, because it will not open if you will not install anything. So my account quality is saved in my folder. If I want to open, then I can open, but I want to tell you about its dashboard and what's the meaning of good and what's the meaning of poor, weak and best. So first I will talk about the total number of chats. Here you can see it's showing 151 and the strongness is 30% and quality saying weak. What's the meaning of it? If I will say, then it's good. If you will click on suggestion, then you can read it properly and it will recommend you what you need to do with your account. If you will follow these instructions, then you can save your account for few days, few more days. And if your account will be saved, then you already know your customer is safe, and if your customer is safe, then your profit is safe, and if your profit is safe, then you are safe, and if you are safe, then you can invest your money and you can get more profit. You also know because you are too much intelligent. But I also want to open my account status quality, which I downloaded from it. So firstly I want to open it. First I am coming in my file manager, and here's I will come in documents, and in the documents I will see and in the documents I can see enter your account name. So I am clicking in it. It's in the HTML file. Okay, so it's downloaded my account quality in the HTML file, not in Excel file. Okay, so it's their quality. And I also want to say I will blur my numbers. Here I can see the list of interested numbers, means whose number is interested to chat with me. Here's the list of it, and you can see your account quality with it, and you can read it. If you will read it properly, then you can save your account for extra time. I want also show you about the pricing of WA Defender. You can see the pricing. The first pricing is 356 INR or 6 USD. That means you will get one activation key for 1 year. If you will bought it in 656 INR or 9 USD, then you will get 3 activation key for 3 years. And if you are new, if you have no money, then you can buy it and you can sell it. But remember, you need to collect your 3 activation key in 1 month maximum time. If you will delay your time, then you can't get, you will lose your 3 activation key, means we will not provide you more activation key. If you need your 3 activation key, then you need 3 computers in 1 month maximum time, 1 month maximum time. Because if you need the activation key, then you need provide the activation code, and you can only provide your activation code if you will install WA Defender in your each PC. If you will install WA Defender, then you will get your activation code, and if you will provide activation code, then you can get 3 activation key. You need provide 3 activation code to get 3 activation key. And also here's a gift for you. If you will pay 1207 INR or 17 USD, then you can get full reseller rights, and it will be never expire because you are getting the full reseller rights. Okay, so where you will get it? You can get it from us. Here's some guidelines from it, and in the top you can see our contact number, our messenger ID, our Instagram ID, or Telegram IDs. Everything is same. You need only write @AmarPalTech in any social media platform. You can contact us. Okay, so I also want to tell you, if in the future the software will be updated, then how can you get it? You can get it from here. You need to click on the WA Defender credits. Then here can you see touch me to download or update WA Defender. If you will click on it, then it will redirect you to in our official site, and where you can go and download it or update it. And I also want to show you about WhatsApp's personal and free defender. So I am opening my WhatsApp again, and you can see the my Android screen in my left side. Okay, so you can see, and firstly I will click on the 3 dots, and where I need to click on settings, and here you can see the account option. So I need to click on it, and you also need to click on it. And here you can also see the request account info, and if you will click on it, then you can see the request account info option. But remember, it's only available for WhatsApp beta tester. And if you want to become the WhatsApp beta tester, then you need to go in our Telegram channel, and you need to download WA beta latest file from our Telegram channel, name AmarPalTech. You can search, and you can go and you can download WA Defender. You can download WhatsApp beta, and when you will download it, then you can see this type of option, request account info in WhatsApp. And when you will be able to request your account info, then it will take minimum 2 or 3 days to generate your account info. But when you will get your account info, then you need to open it, but you don't know how you can open it. So I also want to recommend, you need a Johnson Weaver. So I also need to install it. So I am opening my Play Store and search for you can see this, and I also need to install anything. You can install anything from it because you need to view, not edit. Okay, so I am opening it, and I will see how can I open it. So first I need to go in my file manager, and in the file manager I will found document. You also need to search about it where it, and it's very difficult for you because it's a hidden file. You can't find it in WhatsApp. You need come in file manager and you need to find it from here. It's very difficult for each and every person. Okay, so you can see after many tries, I have successfully opened my account info from WhatsApp, and you can see the files and my WhatsApp connections, my WhatsApp setting, index.html, WhatsApp account information. And if you want to open your account info from WhatsApp, then you need to do many types of things to open it with your Android. And if you are already using PC, then you can open it immediately without any risk. But in this Android phone, many risks for open it because nobody installed in their Android a zip reader or the dot Johnson file reader. But I have successfully installed both, and I have opened it. And if I want to show you my WhatsApp connections, then you can see communication.html, contacts.html, groups.html. If I will click contacts.html, then it will show me how many contacts interacted with me. Okay, so finally I want to say, you are already knowing about WA Defender and WhatsApp's personal defender. So what you will choose, it's depend upon you because both are strong, and WhatsApp is also inspired by WA Defender, paid WA Defender, because the first software is WA Defender, and then WhatsApp is trying to make something own like WA Defender, and it will be, and it's maybe possible they will launch their own defender. If I will create my next video in English, then we will definitely meet in the next video. But my all videos in Hindi, so I will meet you. If you can understand Hindi, then I will meet you again. But now I will say goodbye.